Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will change by dy over dx. Next we multiply both sides by dx. Next, we divide both sides by the square root of 1 minus s squared and the square root of 1 minus y squared. So we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u du. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have 2s. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. S ds we change by negative u du. Now we need to simplify u, and you got negative du. The integration of this one, we have negative u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So for this one, the integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one is similar for this one. So that should be like this. So negative and negative, we have positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.